This is a regular video projector remote control. It uses infrared signal to control the video projector. It's very easy to block the signal just simply with your hand. And this is a new accessory. It's an ultimate remote control. It uses radio frequency to control the video projector, so you have to insert this USB dongle. It has lots of buttons. Let's check the buttons. So it has play, pause, backwards and forwards, of course on and off button, home button, back button, context menu. Then these are directional keys and OK button. You can control volume, page up and page down. Then you have all the numerals in here. And on the other side, it's a full-size keyboard. And it runs on two AAA batteries. Okay, let's see how it works. So, let's focus on the screen. This remote control is also an AirMouse. Can you see the mouse cursor? It's right here, the black cursor. I can control the cursor just by moving this remote control up and down and to the sides. Let's go into the settings and let's connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, my password is some numbers. So I have all the numbers on the remote control. 7669 and click done. Alright, that was fast. And now I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Let's try to search for something. Good thing I have all the keys in my hand. Hello, space, world. Oops, made a mistake. Delete D. Okay, and then click enter. The enter key is also here. Okay, I can use these two page up and page down buttons to scroll up and scroll down. Okay, let's open this Wikipedia page. And again, scroll down and scroll up. Since I have the full keyboard in here, I can even click Control and plus to zoom in, and Control and minus to zoom out. And I hope you like this new accessory. You can add it, you can custom add it to any Valto video projector.